To add a Dunkin gift card to Apple Wallet, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Wallet and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. Open the Wallet app on your device, which can be found on the home screen or in a folder. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to add a new card. Select gift card from the options provided and choose Dunkin from the list of available gift card options. If you do not see Dunkin in the list, you can manually add the card by selecting Other and then entering the card details. You will need to provide the gift card number and the card's security code, which can be found on the back of the card or on the receipt. Enter the card details carefully and make sure they are correct before proceeding. Once you have entered the card details, you will be prompted to add the card to Apple Wallet. Tap Add to confirm and the gift card will be added to your Wallet app. You can now use the gift card to make purchases at Dunkin locations by selecting the card in the Wallet app and holding your device near the contactless reader. It is also a good idea to make sure you have a passcode or Face ID set up on your device to prevent unauthorized access to your gift card. This will provide an additional layer of security and protect your gift card balance. To check the balance of your gift card, open the Wallet app and select the Dunkin gift card. The current balance will be displayed on the screen. You can also use the Wallet app to view your transaction history and to receive notifications when your gift card balance is low. By following these steps, you can easily add a Dunkin gift card to Apple Wallet and start using it to make purchases right away. This is a convenient way to pay for your favorite Dunkin drinks and food items without having to carry a physical gift card.